Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great. In today's video, I will tell you about what is VidIQ and how it works. I'll go over with the main points of VidIQ. If you have a YouTube channel and would like to see it develop, whether through reviews or better videos that will rank higher, perhaps you need assistance with rating or auditing your unique content. Here are so many AI tools that you can use. You can use different features, top video channels, coaching extensions. Along with that, you can use vlogs. And here also has some pricing. You can use this pricing. You can start up for free and you can also use it by coaching. And this is the paid plan. Alright, Boost is also a paid plan, but you can also try it with some fee sources. Alright. VidIQ is a tool made to assist owners of YouTube channels in increasing their content, getting better ratings, making better videos, getting higher rating, and auditing their channel. Alright, you can also sign up by signing from the Google account and by entering your email address. I will go with the sign up from my Google account. It's taking a bit time, so you have to wait. Alright, now there are two plans. One is free and one is paid. For now, we will go with the free. Okay, click on this continue to VidIQ. Alright, now you have successfully signed in into your account. That's it for today's video. I hope you like it and enjoy it. Stay tuned to watch more videos like this. Thanks for watching.